Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can quick punch in Pro Tools. So you must first enable the mode which allows you to punch in, start recording and punch out. So stop recording on the fly while the session is playing. So to enable it, we will use a shortcut, so which is on Mac is Shift CMD plus P, and on Windows is Shift Control and P. With that, just a moment, Shift Control and P. It will open up the this shortcut, or we can go here to the menu at the top to the options right here, and then select find quick punch, just like that. Now the record button in the transport window will show a small P inside the red circle when is enabled, as you can see right here. So now if I press uh, here the record enabled, you can see. Alright, so let's go. I will select on record here. So let's go with this one. So now in the exact moment you want to start recording, you will press numeric keypad number 3. So let's go and do that. Uh, so numeric keypad 3, or standard keyboard, you will use Control space or CMD space on Mac. Obviously, you need to have enabled record track to do that. So to stop recording but keep the music playing, you just press the same shortcut again, so 3 or the record command, and to stop the music playing, press spacebar. And this is basically how you can quick punch. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.